Hey there, let's talk about scissor safety.
All right, let's start with your scissors. So your scissors have a small and a large part of the handle. The small part of the handle should be on the top where your thumb will fit in, and the bottom, you should have 1 or 2 fingers in the bottom. And you want to practice opening and closing them before you even begin on your paper. So you want to keep several things in mind. The first one is you're always cutting away from your body. You're never turning your scissors around in towards your body. You're cutting away from your body, and you're opening your scissors nice and big. So again, open your scissors wide. The paper goes in the center, way back into the scissor, and it makes it much easier to cut. If you have something you're cutting that is not straight, you can make a cut, turn your paper and your scissors, always keeping those scissors away from you. So you're turning your paper as you cut. If you get stuck, you can take your scissors out, turn your paper, put them back in. So you're always moving your scissor and your paper at the same time. That makes it much easier to cut as you're cutting. Another way I can use my scissors is to sloppy cut around something first. So I am always making sure my second hand is out of the way, and I'm moving my paper as I move my scissor. And then I have a piece of paper that is easier to move around as I cut more carefully. So again, I sloppy cut out my shape, and now I'm going to cut more carefully on the line, always making sure I'm opening the scissor wide, cutting away from my body, and turning the paper as I need to cut. I cut with my right hand, but here's a picture of a friend using his scissors in his left hand. He's still putting his thumb in the top hole, fingers in the bottom hole, and cutting away from himself. Remember, when you're not using your scissors, they're closed and down on the table, out of your way. Happy cutting, and remember, scissor safety is important.